Welcome back. It's your favorite rigging guy. We're going to explain the difference between chain and wire rope. A lot of it's just preference for the user. There are some differences that I think are kind of benefits of both. Starting with wire rope, it's got a larger safety factor. So it's a 5-to-1 minimum. Most wire rope won't break till closer to 6-to-1. So there's a little more safety factor built in, which some companies prefer and want that. The negative parts of wire rope is you can't really tell if it's been overloaded too much. You can in the eye is stretched, but it has to be overloaded quite a bit to see that. Another negative thing is it will just break once it's overloaded to that extreme of the 5-to-1 safety factor. So it doesn't really give you any signs before it's going to break, but it is have a bigger safety factor built in. Chain gives you lots of signs of overload or any kind of damages. There's you'll see it stretch. Sometimes you'll see, especially with one leg will get stretched and it'll actually be longer. The connecting links don't move, and then chain will stretch, and it'll stretch a long ways before it breaks. But the safety factor is only 4-to-1, so it doesn't have as high a safety factor, but it does have a lot more signs. So you could go to 2 times your working load, it won't show any damage. You won't go until 3 times your working load limit where you'll start to see permanent damage. And at 4 times to 1, anything over that, it'll usually break, or it's supposed to break at about less than 4.5-to-1. It'll usually break by, where there's just a lot more built into the wire rope. The chain is a lot easier to store on your trucks. It hangs, it folds away nice. It's heavy, but it does store better. Wire rope's really hard to store on trucks because you got to keep it in a big loop. So you can't put it in a bin or hang it on the headache rack too easily. So there's pros and cons to both. It's always preference and company preference. Some companies don't want to see chain, they only want to see wire rope, I think because of that safety factor. The other thing about chain versus wire rope is you can adjust it. You can have adjusters built in it to shorten up your lengths, your legs. With wire rope you can't, it is what it is. So you have to either get a new sling built. Cost, wire rope's usually a lot cheaper than chain, depending on the hardware on the bottom. Hardware can get expensive because it's the same as what's on the chain. At Royal Rigging, we see all kinds of different ones for different companies. We'll inspect both. We got a wire rope press and build bulk chain, so we can build any custom bridles you need, chain or wire rope. Yeah, so like, subscribe, and follow for more rigging tips and tricks and behind the scenes.